Hello, property owners and managers. Are you looking to connect with tenants who can't visit your property in person? In today's fast-paced, digital-first rental market, especially in dynamic cities like Bengaluru, virtual property tours have become a powerful tool to attract remote tenants. Whether renters are relocating due to a job change, higher education, or lifestyle decisions, many now make housing choices without setting foot on the premises. A well-produced virtual tour can turn interest into action, helping tenants make confident decisions from a distance. In this video, we'll guide you through strategies to create virtual property tours that engage remote renters, enhance trust, and ultimately lead to more successful tenancy agreements. Why virtual tours are vital in a digital rental market. With more tenants relying on digital tools to search for homes, virtual tours have moved from a bonus feature to a rental necessity. Remote tenants, especially those relocating to Bengaluru from other states or countries, often can't attend physical viewings. A comprehensive virtual tour gives them a realistic sense of the property's layout and livability. It acts as a 24/7 open house, helping them visualize day-to-day living, space utility, and comfort in a competitive market. This visual experience can make your listing stand out and attract quicker decisions. 2. Selecting the ideal virtual tour format. Choosing the right format for your virtual tour depends on your target audience and the nature of your property. A simple mobile video may work for compact units, but premium properties benefit from high-end options like 360-degree panoramic walkthroughs or interactive floor plans. If you're aiming to appeal to international tenants or working professionals, hiring a real estate videographer could elevate your content quality. They use tools like drones, stabilizers, and wide-angle lenses to present your space in the best light. The goal is always to ensure clarity, accuracy, and professionalism. 3. Preparing the property to impress on screen. Staging is critical. A well-staged property appears more inviting on camera and leaves a stronger impression on prospective tenants. Make sure the space is spotless, decluttered, and arranged to showcase functionality. Use soft lighting to highlight natural light sources and create a homely feel. Neutral colors work well on video, while subtle decor such as indoor plants or artwork add warmth without distracting the viewer. A tidy, tastefully styled home signals that you care about presentation and tenant experience. 4. Add voice narration for personal engagement. Enhancing your virtual tour with narration offers clear guidance through the property while adding personality. This voiceover can draw attention to special features like modular kitchens, built-in cupboards, or scenic balconies. You can also address FAQs, such as parking availability, pet rules, or water supply reliability. Narration helps remote viewers feel like they're on a guided tour, allowing them to connect emotionally with the space even without a physical visit. 5. Don't forget shared spaces and amenities. Remote tenants often worry about what they can't see, so don't stop at the main unit. Showcase shared amenities such as lobbies, lifts, clubhouses, fitness centers, and terraces. If the building offers special features like a swimming pool, security cabin, or EV charging points, make sure they're included in your tour. Similarly, show the exterior of the property, entrance pathways, and parking facilities to provide a complete view of the living experience. 6. Ensure compatibility across devices. Your virtual tour must be accessible on mobiles, tablets, and desktops alike. Many potential tenants browse properties during work breaks or while commuting, so your content should be easy to view, responsive, and quick to load. Avoid asking users to download apps or log in. Embed the tour video on your property listing page, email campaigns, and social media posts to increase reach and convenience. 7. Support your virtual tour with photos and floor plans. A virtual tour should be complemented with high-quality photos and accurate floor plans. While the tour offers immersion, static visuals help tenants study layout and dimensions more closely. Photos should be well-lit and capture each room from various angles. A labeled floor plan allows tenants to assess flow, size, and space allocation. This media trio, video, photos, and layout strengthens your listing's credibility. 8. Choose platforms that offer analytics and lead tools. To maximize the benefits of your virtual tours, publish them on platforms that track user engagement. Tools like Matterport and iSpy 360 provide valuable insights such as view duration, interaction points, and rewatch frequency. Many platforms also allow LED capture, helping you follow up with genuinely interested tenants. Real-time chat or inquirer forms further increase conversion chances, while your tour is still fresh in the viewer's mind. 9. Showcase the neighborhood virtually. When tenants choose a home, they're also choosing a lifestyle. Incorporate visuals of the surrounding area into your tour. Show nearby grocery stores, metro stations, schools, cafes, parks, and other key attractions. You can highlight commute times, noise levels, and safety aspects. If you have drone footage, include sweeping shots of the locality to establish context. These extras make your listing more relatable and informative. 10. Distribute your virtual tours widely. Once your virtual tour is ready, make sure it reaches the right audience. Share it on your property website, Google business listing, and leading rental platforms. Repurpose short clips for Instagram Reels, Facebook Stories, and YouTube Shorts to generate interest and boost visibility. You can also email the full tour to prospects responding to your listings. Wide distribution increases exposure, helping you fill vacancies faster. Bonus tip, offer real-time virtual walkthroughs. For an extra touch of service, consider offering live virtual showings. This allows you to walk tenants through the property over video call, answer their questions directly, and provide tailored commentary. It's a great way to build trust with remote renters and adapt the experience based on their individual priorities. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips on property management in Bengaluru. Stay tuned for upcoming videos in the SANGAU series, where we help landlords and property managers succeed in today's digital rental landscape. For more support or to explore how SANGAU can help you reduce vacancy and attract tenants faster, get in touch with us today.